He was just like, so I'm not crazy. I'm like, no, you're not crazy. And he got emotional. He was like, for years, every doctor, functional doctor, naturopathic doctor, my primary care, nobody will listen to me. Nobody believes me that something's wrong. And I have been made to feel like I am crazy. And the whole time I knew something was going on. And this is just giving me so much validation because I started to doubt myself, thinking maybe everybody was right. I want to share a client story with you that perhaps sounds familiar and might resonate with you. So, I was on a call with a gentleman today, late 30s. His health history was super clean, always was really healthy, ate clean, active, worked out. And then about 3 years ago, had a mini stroke out of nowhere. Went to the doctor, had all the EKG, cardiac stuff ran, and they told him that everything was totally fine. So he left the hospital, not only feeling super confused, but also feeling totally lost as to what was going on. So he ends up going home. He goes back to his normal life. He's a high performer. He's an entrepreneur. He's also a dad. He's going through his day, and same thing happens again, except for this time he's dead asleep. Wakes up, jolts out of bed, heart starts racing, blood pressure's all over the place. He's having extreme vertigo and feeling like he's losing his mind. Same thing, goes back to the ER. They run the EKGs, they run the same test, and tell him the exact same thing, that they can't find anything wrong with him. So now he starts to feel crazy. So he goes and sees his functional medicine doctor, who runs the standard CBC metabolic panel, checks everything from triglycerides to cholesterol to creatinine, all the basics, and everything is mostly within range. So he talks to the doctor about it, and he gets told, it sounds like you might just be stressed. Same thing happened to me. Same thing happened to a lot of people I talked to. So this individual was sent to a therapist and prescribed antipsychotic drugs, sleeping pills, and anti-anxiety medications. Over the course of a year, things start getting worse. Now all of a sudden, they're having food sensitivities, chemical sensitivities. They can't go into the grocery store without feeling overstimulated from the fluorescent lights, from the noise, from things going on. And their world keeps feeling smaller and smaller while also just feeling crazy and completely helpless. They saw one of these YouTube videos, sent me an email asking some questions, and we were going back and forth. And I suggested that we hop on a call so I can do a true, proper diagnostic assessment from my perspective with integrative and functional health and what I do with all of my clients in my practice. We're going through this, and I can tell this gentleman is very nervous because he's been dismissed and also made to feel crazy for a really long time. Of these symptoms are all in your head. Your labs all say you're normal. There's nothing wrong with you. You're just stressed. You're just overreacting. You're a hypochondriac, all these things. So we get on the call, and I start the way I do with most people. And I ask him, I was like, I read your intake form. It's a very thorough, comprehensive intake form. I have everybody deal. So, but the best way this always works is just tell me your story. What's going on? When did all this happen? And what have you tried, and where are we at today? And so he proceeds to tell me the whole story that I just told you. And the first thing that I ask is, well, were you ever in a toxic or moldy environment? He said, yes. Water damage, roof damage, living in a basement, smells musty. If there was ever flooding, this actually happens a lot in new and old homes. So he said, yeah, it's probably like 10 years ago. So it's totally fine. I don't think it's an issue anymore. I said, okay, so 10 years ago, what else has been going on? And the other symptoms, he's like, I've been having these weird chest pains and heart stuff and these wild blood pressure swings from super high to then really low. And now I've got food sensitivities and chemical sensitivities and smells and light and all these things. And so I asked if he did a mold urine mycotoxin test. And he said, no. I said, well, you saw a functional medicine doctor. Did the functional medicine doctor run your gut panel to see if you've got some candida, fungal overgrowth, food inflammation, gut inflammation? He said, no. I was like, all right, well, you said that your functional medicine doctor checked your hormones. Did they do the 4-point cortisol to make sure that the diurnal cortisol rhythm is right and that you're not flatline, but also to see what's going on with the full thyroid and testosterone, estrogen, progesterone? He said, no. I said, all right, well, let's just start with those basics. And what ended up happening is when we got his mycotoxin test back, he had extreme high levels of ochratoxin, zearalenone, and citrinin. All of these are highly neurotoxic to the brain. toxic to the heart, they're toxic to the immune system, the gut, the liver, and the kidneys. And when I got on a call and we're reviewing his test results and I explained to him the mycotoxins and then we go over his hormone panel, his testosterone is flatlined. His cortisol rhythm is totally flatlined. It should be a little bit of a spike, a curve, and then it comes and it levels back down throughout the day. And he's got a ton of candida and yeast overgrowth with some serious gut inflammation. So when we hopped on the call and I explained all this to him, he got a little bit emotional because even though there was a lot going on, he finally felt like there were answers as to what was happening in his body. And he asked the same thing everybody always asks me, which is incredible. But it's like they go through all this, and I'm like, all right, so I know I just gave you a lot. Talk to me about like what questions you have before we dive into my recommended healing protocol. And he was just like, so I'm not crazy. I'm like, "No, you're not crazy." And he got emotional. He was like, "For years, nobody will listen to me. Nobody believes me that something's wrong. And I have been made to feel like I'm crazy. And the whole time I knew something was going on. And this is just giving me so much validation because I started to doubt myself, thinking maybe everybody was right." And I shared a story because unfortunately I hear this a lot is doctors are very quick to prescribe protocols, to prescribe medications, to just write a diagnosis and send you on the way without actually looking at what's your story, what's going on, and let's get to the bottom of this so that you can get your life back. What I would encourage you, if this sounds familiar to you at all, is start with your functional testing. So I do this on my one-on-one integrative health calls. We do a very deep dive, comprehensive assessment. It's usually about an hour, hour and a half, where we go through everything you've been dealing with. You tell me your story. We go through your symptoms. I do my diagnostic screening. I do some nutritional assessments, some deductive reasoning, and then make some test recommendations on top of personalized supplements, nutrient recommendations. And it's all based on what your body is actually saying and not guesswork, not trying to just put a band aid on something, but to actually help you heal what is disrupting your entire system so that you can get your energy back, your strength back, your active life back, but more importantly, just get back to feeling like yourself. I would love to help you with getting to the root cause of what's driving your symptoms. And the way that we can do that is in the description of this video. We can set up a one-on-one call, work together, and help you finally get some answers so that you can quit bouncing from doctor to doctor and specialist to specialist and actually see here's the test results, here's what you got going on. Now let's work on a personalized integrative health plan to get you back on track and get you out of this vicious cycle of not having answers. So I hope this resonated with you. Check out the description. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Otherwise, check out some of the other videos and resources I have to help you truly heal and get your life back.